How to manage event activity notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage event activity notifications on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and then go down and you will find here settings and privacy, and now just click this one, settings, and then click notifications. And as you see here, you can manage click events, and you can events, and here you can manage activity notifications, events activity. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.